Today I will present asset accounting. First of all, what is asset accounting? This is the small introduction. SAP asset accounting is also called as subledger accounting. It is one of the important sub-module of SAP financial accounting. Asset accounting in SAP financial accounting is used for managing and supervising the fixed assets of an organization. What is the chart of depreciation? Chart of depreciation is nothing but list of depreciation areas. For what purpose we are calculating the depreciation, whether it is internal purpose or external purpose. Internal purpose we are calculating the depreciation is book depreciation. External purpose we are calculating the tax depreciation. We are considered only our India only we consider in book depreciation. Depreciation key. What is depreciation key? Depreciation is nothing but rate plus method. For how much of rate we consider and which method we are using. Whether it is straight line method or we have so many methods are there. That what one straight line method and written down value method, maximum amount to method, multi-level method and periodic control method. We are using this only multi-level method. That one is straight line method and written down value method. Yeah, we have some configuration steps are there. Okay, I will already I practiced this one. 14th date I practiced it. I took the screenshot. Okay, I will present. This is the copy reference chart of depreciation. We are using this T code and path also. This is the T code for copy reference chart of depreciation EC08. Once double click on this copy reference chart of depreciation, we have showing we have opened this dialog box. We created double click on this create one. And from chart of depreciation we copied this 0 ES, we copied this and we converted into chart of depreciation BA02. This is my chart of depreciation. Yeah. Once this completed, this one is open. Once click on this one, it will open this like this one. This is specified description of chart of depreciation. This depreciation is Indian depreciation. This is we have so many depreciations are there, but we are considered only book depreciation. This is other countries are using these depreciations. That's why we are selecting this chart of depreciation is Indian depreciation. Yeah. Once completed this one, this box will open. This is the depreciation areas. This area post in real time. For what purpose we are in this one? We are reporting purpose. We are in this area post in real time. Yeah. Once completed this, it will converted in green mark also. Yeah. Once we need to save this one. Yeah. The next step is other input tax indicated for non-taxable acquisition. Okay, this is for V0 A0. V0 this is for input tax. This is for output tax. Input tax for purchase, output tax for sales. It indicates there would be not tax on purchase and sales. Yeah. Next step is assign chart of depreciation to company code. Whatever we created depreciation, we need to assign the depreciation to company code. Yeah, this is my company. This is my company code. This is my company code. This is my company. Whatever this is also chart of depreciation also same. We need to assign this depreciation. Yeah. Define account determination. In this determination, I created these assets BA11, BA22, BA33, BA44, BA55, BA66. I need to create this assets for this one: land, building, plant and machinery, furniture, fixtures, vehicles, AUC. This account information is linked with asset master data to post on any kind of transactions. Next, this is the specify screen layout rule. This is the next step of specify screen layout rule. This one also same, the two rules also same: land and buildings, plant and machinery, furniture, vehicles, asset under construction. First of all, what is screen layout rule? What is the purpose? It is controls the field settings of the asset master data. In asset master data, the control the fields. That's why we are using this screen layout rules. Define number and intervals. Yeah, we are using this T code AS08. Whatever we create assets, we need to assign this number range for particular assets. I created this number range for this one is land, building, plant and machinery, furniture and fixtures. This is for vehicles. This is for asset under construction. I need to create this number range intervals. Yeah. Define asset class. Asset class is nothing but classification of an asset. There will be a number of assets in asset class, like land, buildings, plant and machinery, furniture and fixtures, vehicles, asset under construction. Whatever I created, we need to assign this asset classes. For this is the account information. I mentioned this land AW1 and screen layout rule. Screen layout number range. This whatever we assign the number range, we need to mention this number range field. The land I created 01. Okay. Inventory data, we select the inventory data. Why we need to select this inventory data? This is for once we select this checkbox, whatever asset we create under this asset class will be included in fixed inventory list. For inventory list, we are showing this like, that's why we are using this included asset inventory. We need to select this one. Yeah. Next, manage history we need to select. Manage history. This is for display in asset chart. That's why we are selecting this box. Okay, same also remaining assets are also same like this only. BA22 buildings. This and all I created this buildings. I assigned to the number range for 02. Include asset manage critically plant and machinery. This one all this is the plant and machinery. I create the number range for 03. I create fixtures. All are same. Okay. Furniture fixtures the 04. I assign the number range for 04. This is a series of vehicles. Asset class is vehicles. I need to assign this number range 05. Yeah. Next, asset under construction. In asset under construction, only we have to select the line item settlement. Why we are using this line item settlement? These class are managed with the option for final line item settlement to receiving asset or cost centers. That's why we are select this one. Yeah. After complete of this, we need to create the GL accounts for assets, particular assets. We need to create the land. I created this land, buildings, plant and machinery, furniture, fixtures, vehicles, asset under construction. I created this GL accounts. Yeah, this is the accumulated depreciation. I created this GL accounts accumulated depreciation. This is the account group accumulated depreciation account group. In depreciation on building, depreciation on furnitures, depreciation plant, depreciation of vehicles. I created this GL accounts. Okay, and other income we have a create the GL accounts gain on lesser sale of asset. In administration cost, I created this GL account for loss on sale of asset. Yeah. Once completed this is the defined account assignment. Yeah. Whatever we created assets, we need to assign for this account determination. We need to select this building. First asset is building. First select this one and go to double click on balance sheet. We need to assign this GLs for this loss on sale of asset and all. This is like the balance sheet account. We need to select this one. We have a acquisition account assignment. This is for retirement of account assignment. Whatever we created this GL accounts, we need to assign this particular GLs for loss on sale of asset. We created this GL account and sale of clearing account. We need to this GL account and gain on sale of asset. We created this GL account loss and sale of asset. We created this one. This is for land asset. Land there is no depreciation, that's why I'm not selecting this depreciation field. The next is buildings. Buildings, I created this GL account. Once double click on balance sheet, this one will open. This box is open. In buildings we have a same this GL account also same loss on sale of asset account, asset sale clearing, gain on sale of asset and loss on sale of asset. We have a depreciation in building. We have a depreciation. This is the depreciation. Then we calculate the depreciation and accumulated depreciation. What is depreciation? Depreciation means decrease in the value of fixed assets. We calculate the fixed asset like buildings, plant and machinery, furniture fixes. We are calculating this depreciation only. Accumulated depreciation. What is accumulated depreciation? Accumulated depreciation is nothing but total depreciation. It is use of controlling purpose. We are using this accumulated depreciation. This is unplanned depreciation account assignment. We need to assign same GL account for this unplanned accumulated depreciation. Yeah, plant and machinery also we need to give this GL account is same also. This one also same loss on sale of assets and all. This is a depreciation, plant and machinery depreciation. I need to this create GL accounts. I created this GL accounts. Plant and depreciation, plant and accumulated depreciation on plant, and unplanned depreciation also same. Furniture and fixed assets, fixtures. Whatever I created GL account, I mentioned this one, this GL account. The loss on asset sale retirement with revenue. This is the loss on sale of asset and clearing account revenue from asset sale. I need to give this GL account for asset sale clearing, gain from asset sale, gain on sale of asset, loss from asset sale, loss on sale of asset. I need to create this one. Yeah, this is also depreciation. We calculated depreciation for this one also. Next, vehicles. I created this GL account for vehicle. I need to mention this GL. This GL is also same. Whatever we created those assets, that one also same. This is also depreciation will happen. we created this depreciation. Yeah. After cash depreciation, asset under construction. In asset under construction, we created this GL account. We need to assign this. We don't have a depreciation for asset under construction. Yeah. Once we have to complete it, we have a multiple methods are there, like to define multiple level methods. Yeah, I create whatever I created chart of depreciation. I mentioned that chart of depreciation. My chart of depreciation is BA02. I mentioned this one and go to new entries. New entries. We have to give the multiple level method, multiple straight line method. I created straight line method. I mentioned straight line method. Mm, in validity start we have a from capitalization. Go to level fields. We have go to level fields and we need to create go to new. Once we have select this one, go to new entries and we have to create an acquisition here. And yes, this is the standard one of this years and this is the period and base value. Base value is nothing but acquisition value. This is the percentage. How much of percentage we calculate for this depreciation. That's why we are selecting this. We are mentioning this 10%. Next depreciation is written down value methods. This is the 15% depreciation. This one also same. We need to go to levels and we need to select new entries. 999 and years is 999. This is the period is 12 period. The base value. This is acquisition value. The base value. This is net book value. Net book value. This percentage useful life of this depreciation of this 15% for asset. When we have to complete it, we have whether it is a straight line method or depreciation method, whether it is active or not. We need to check. Okay, if it is not activate, we need to go to that activate button out there. We need to select this one. It automatically converted in active field. This is the active field. The next will define depreciation key. We are using this T code AFAMA. Yeah. Once click on this one, go to new entries. Depreciation key. I mentioned SL straight line method depreciation 10% and the depreciation ordinary depreciation. Ordinary depreciation or book to I need to select this ordinary depreciation. Trace it from the start of depreciation. Okay, go to in assignment calculation. We need to base method ordinary 12 method 12 period and this is the periodic control method. The multi-level method is I selected this SL1 straight line method. Next one is WDV method, that is written down value method. This are also same. Once we need to go to new entries and we created what we created this one only 0012 for ordinary depreciation periodic control method 001 and multi-level method WD1. The next step is determine depreciation area and asset class. I mean this OAYZT code. Yeah. Once we have double click on this one, go to position and we need to create this asset class. Whatever I created asset class, BA11, BA22. I mentioned this one BA11. This is the mention. This is the how much what we are doing this depreciation here and how much of this useful life. We need to mention this one. In this is the land. This is the land. Asset class is land. There is no depreciation. That's why we are using this no depreciation and no interest. I am selecting this one. This land value is 50 years. That's why maximum life of 50 years and useful life of 50 years. I mentioned this 50 years. Next asset is the buildings. Buildings we have only the useful life is 40 years. I mentioned this 40 years for useful life and maximum useful life 40 years. I taken this written down value method. Depreciation ke written down value method 15%. I taken this one. This is the plant and machinery. Another asset is plant and machinery. In plant and machinery, you have to select this useful life 15%. I taken the straight line method. This one. Okay, some asset I taken WDV method and I taken as a straight line method. We need to select this negative allowed, negative valuation allowed. We need to select this one. The screen layout is 1000. This is for mandatory for asset. Next asset is furniture and fixed assets. BA44. Chart of depreciation BA02. Yeah. This furniture fixtures, the life value is 10 years. I mentioned only 10 years. I took this one depreciation. I taken this depreciation straight line method. The next asset is vehicles. Asset class, this is BA55. Vehicles, chart of depreciation. Okay, I taken this depreciation WDV method. I taken this is vehicles also 10 or 15 minutes, but I taken 10. I select this negative value. This is the asset under construction. Asset under construction, I taken only useful life is 1. There is no depreciation, but this is the asset under construction, and I did not take any depreciation key. Yeah, once completed, when we had completed, assign settlement profile to company code. Next step is the T code is OK01. Define settlement profile. This is once this double click on this box will open. No need to change this one. This is already included in system. No need to change any this one. Yeah. Whatever we created this company company code, we need to this settlement profile pair, we need to assign the assignment settlement profile to company code. We need to assign for this is for AI for settlement. This is for standard one. This one is AI settlement under asset under construction. I need to mention and save it. It will save. This is next step. Next step for define or assign form. I am using this two code OAAY. Yeah. This is for reporting purpose. We are using this program. Whatever we created assets, I mentioned this program. It will show in the report fields. When creating asset history, in history we created this report. Okay. Once we posted the all assets, we have shown in this table where I am using this T code is SC60N and go SC60N we create and go to ANLA table. In ANLA table we have whatever we created these assets, it will show. I created only this asset only 2001, 3001, 4001. This is for the buildings, plant and machinery and furniture fixtures. I select only 3. Yeah. Once this completed, we created asset for asset. I am using this asset AS01 asset. AS01 T code. I am using this asset. Okay, I posted each asset 10 lakhs. We have a time dependent field. In time dependent, we have a business area cost center. Cost center business area is cost center. We have a we have to put mention in optional field. We are using this T code OA 77. Once once we are using this T code, go to on the screen layout in field status group. Logical field status groups are there. We have to in logical field status group time dependent. We need to select time dependent and go to cost center, and we need to put the mention this optional field. We have to select this is a capitalization. Once we have saved this asset capitalization, this date is which date you purchase this asset. It will mention this 14 like down on to the capitalization. It shows the balance sheet asset value under the balance sheet. It is showing this like this only. In depreciation area fields, this is the depreciation area fields. We have like this only book depreciation. Now depreciation written down value method. Useful life, how much of useful life we are using, whatever we created, it's showing this depreciation areas field. In plant and machinery also same, BA33, and whatever we create also this one. This is the plant and machinery. The This is the furniture and fixtures. This is the third asset. Next, capitalization date. This is capitalization. What is capitalization date? This one is date. Capitalization date is the